Now, we discuss the demand schedules. A demand schedule demonstrates the different quantity demanded of a commodity at various levels of price. So, demand schedule shows what are the different quantity demanded by the consumer by the we can say in the market at different level of prices. Now, types of demand schedules. First is individual demand schedule that shows different quantity of a commodity demanded by a consumer at various level of price. Now, so far as the individual demand schedule is concerned, it indicates what are the possibility of quantity demanded by the consumer at different level of price. Now, individual demand schedules indicates that whenever there is decline in price of the goods of a commodity, then definitely quantity demanded by the consumer is on increasing, or we can say that definitely there is reverse inverse negative relationship between price and quantity demanded by the individual. Now, that can be shown with the help of the example. Now, individual demand curve that refers to graphical representation of individual demand schedule. As we see that with the decline in price, the quantity demanded by the consumer is on increasing, and with the increase in price, the quantity demanded by the consumer is decreasing. Therefore, the demand curve always slopes downward. Now, second is market demand schedule that shows various quantities demanded by all the consumers at different level of price. As you see that so far as the market is concerned, that constitutes different consumers. So, every consumer reacts to the change in price in different way, and it depends on the intensity of wants. So, intensity of want of all the consumers are not the same. It is definitely different. Therefore, every consumer will react to the change in price in different way. So, market demand schedule it shows the relationship between prices, different level of prices and quantity demanded by all the consumers. Now, this can be explained with the help of market demand schedule, that is price is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and individual demand household A means this is a demand of A and this is a demand of B. So, if we aggregate the demand of A and demand of B, we calculate market demand units. So, price 5 means the demand made by the A is 1, but demand made by the B is 2 and aggregate is 3. In this way, the demand is go on increasing 3 to 5, 7, 9 and 11, but that will not take place in the same manner as in case of individual demand schedule. Now, we discuss what is market demand curve that refers to graphical representation of market demand schedules. Now, so far the market demand curve is concerned, that is the aggregate of demand curve of individuals. So, we have seen that demand made by the A household, demand made by the household B, and aggregate is the DM. So, DM is quite we can say flatter as compared to demand made by A and demand made by B. So, we have got more elasticity in market demand curve as compared to demand made by the individual A and B. So, market demand curve is flatter, as we have seen that market demand is definitely flatter because that is the aggregate of demand made by A individual, demand made by the B individual. So, market demand curve is flatter because as price falls, different consumers respond in different way. So, we do not get the same response to the change in price, we get different responses made by the individuals to the change in price.